Follow the crew today as we run a new sewer line from the front house to the shop out back. Now here's where it gets interesting. That shop sits lower than the house itself.
So we have to figure out how to get the sewage from the back building to the main line around the front of the house.
So we're gonna get a little creative. It's not glamorous, but it is important. And it's a cool process to see behind the scenes, so let's get to it.
We always start by locating any existing lines and utilities to make sure that we don't accidentally hit anything that is already underground. Then we opened up 4 access holes to help guide the drill through the dirt and the turns, giving us control over where the bore would start, pivot, and end. Our friends at Bauer Construction brought in their machine. This thing is built to dig long, precise tunnels underground, usually so we can pull utilities or sewer lines without tearing up the entire yard, which in turn can save the customer a lot of money. These guys are pros. Today they bored over 200 feet from the shop in the back to the sewer main around the front of the house. The key is hitting the perfect grade so everything flows smoothly, or in this case, gets pumped to where it needs to go. This is where the experience really counts. Once the bore is complete, it's time to pull the new sewer line through the tunnel. We'll attach the pipe to the bore head and then slowly reverse the process, guiding it underground all the way into place. At the low end of the line, we'll install a grinder pump system inside of a sealed pit. That pump will break down the solids and send the waste uphill to the main city line, making this a clean, efficient, and reliable solution. I hope you enjoyed watching us today. Please do not forget to hit the like button and follow us for more videos.